Story time! Hi everyone! Good morning! Alam niyo ba, every time I would tell my nephew to wake up early in the morning, ay gumigising talaga siya ng maaga. At excited siya to have a morning walk. You're gonna walk faster. Oh, you were gonna wake up? Wow!
Yes.
Oh, that's light. Come on. You're gonna wear ano cap? Wear the cap. Oh, wow, so foggy. Wow, you're so foggy. Foggy, foggy. Oh, you wear your harness. Come on. Later na yung cup. You wear muna the harness. Put your hand inside.
Yes.
Oh, harness.
Yes.
Oh, there's light. Wow.